Được chưa? Hi everyone, my name is Thủy. I come from Aha English. Today I have a special gift for you. Do you like it? Okay. Have you heard Effortless English? As you, as I know, Effortless English is one of the best methods to help you to study English well, to speak fluently. Okay. In the effortless English, there are 7 rules. The number one, the rules number one is do not learn a word, learn the phrases. Oh, why do I say? Because when you don't learn a word, only word, you you don't remember deeply. You only know how to pronounce, and you can know the meanings of new word, but you don't remember deeply. When you learn the phrases, you can learn the grammars, and you learn the meanings new word, and you learn international, um, and you learn any sound when you read the sentences, when you read the phrases. Okay. When you and the rule number 2 is do not the grammar. I think it's taught for you when you in the school is 9 it took 9 years, it took about 9 years to study English. You only study the grammar, only the study grammar. And now I said you, do not study grammar. Oh, I think it's difficult, but I can show you why we don't study grammar. Because when I ask you a lot of question, when I ask you a question, can you speak English? You can yes. Or when I ask you a lot of question, you can answer slowly. Because when you slowly when you speak, you think about the grammar, you think about past tense or the present tense. You focus on grammar. You don't. Oh, and now you want to speak English quickly, immediately. You throw away the grammar. Okay, throw away. You don't think about the grammar. You don't have any time. If you want to speak English quickly, you don't have any time to think about the grammar. Throw it away, and focus on listen, and learn the words and learn the phrases by the body language. I think it's help you to speak English well, to remember the phrases, um, push in mind, and you remember a long time. Okay. And the second, the third, the three rules. Listen, and listen. You study with ear, not by eyes. Okay. In the high school or in the English school, teacher teach you. The teacher teach you. You can become automatic. You can become automatic. In high school, teacher says, listen and repeat. Hi, how are you? And you can set your response. Hi, how are you? And do you know the meaning? Do you know the meaning of the question? Oh, I don't think so. You don't learn the thing about the question, think about the answer. You don't learn the thing about the response. How to respond quickly. You can respond the teacher, and you become automatic. And now you listen. You must listen to understand, to copy 100% the other people about the action, about the emotion, about the intonation, about the voice. I think you can speak English like the native speaker. Okay, and the rules number four, you can learn deeply. In my class, when I take part in the English course in AHA English, my teacher teach me the story a kiss. A long time. It take me 1 week, one week. The first, the second, the three, and from the first day to the end day, to the second day, we only focus on the story, focus on study the story. My teachers connect with all of the rule. Uh, the first the first rule from the one number one rule number one to the second rule. And now I can respond quickly. I can speak English fluently, as you see. Okay, and you can in the school. The teacher teach you. The teacher show you a lot of new words, but you don't review. You don't remember it. And there are a lot of people have a high score in TOEIC, but now when they go to work, they must go to the English center to how to speak English quickly. So why we we only focus study grammar. We don't care listen. We don't review. Review. We can and when we study a kiss, we can review. We can study. Maybe we can study a kiss on the 3 day. 3 day we can remember it. But why my teacher show me? My teacher teach me a lot of time, a long time to input our mind to remember a long time, to understand the meaning, to respond quickly. Respond when we understand the meaning, we can um, we can respond quickly. Okay, and the rule number five. The rule number five, point of view. Do you know point of view? Oh, do you understand? Okay, I will show you point of view. This means when we can make a situation the same the story. Okay, we can understand. We can change the time. We change part with the ten. We can make a new story. When you understand the meaning, the story, when you can repeat the speaker on the audio. Okay, and when we study point of view, we can study the grammar by the point of view. My teacher teach me the the, the story. The story um, is brand present tense, and now my teacher teach me the past tense, and now I can study the grammar is past tense, and I have two tense. I study two tense when I study the story a kiss, and I can creative. I become a creator. I become a creator when I make a new story. I can make a new story funny or the boring. Um, and and in the story, my teacher asked a lot of real English, a lot of sentences, real English, which native speaker can use every day. Example: What's up? Or how's this going? Is when I read the story, when I listen the story, I read the real English. I think happy. Oh, it's the story is funny. Okay. Um, and I think interesting. I think excited when I study the story. I don't think there are lots of, or maybe there are lots of the story or textbook or the paragraph is when you study you don't you feel bored when you feel tired when you study because it's don't interesting. It's not real English. And when you after you can remember a long time and you can remember deeply and you can speak English, repeat the the speaker audio and you can make a new story. And now the last time my teacher can teach you the mini story. We can play the mini story and we can ask and respond, ask and respond, ask and respond. It helps you respond quickly. It helps you have answer quickly immediately. Okay. When you example, I have a statement. Karen buys a new car. Karen buys a new car. Okay, I have a statement. Karen buys a new car. And now I have a question, I have a lot of questions. I have a lot of easy question for you. Example, did Karen buy a new dog? Did Karen buy a new dog? And now, when you have a statement, you think the Karen buys new car, not new dog, and if you don't agree, you can show the body language. No, and you you show a lot of information when you get and you can respond no Karen buy a new car. Okay, and you can make slowly the first slowly and when you can family with you can family with the methods you can make the faster and faster. I commit when you practice 7 rules. When you practice the approach English methods, a lot of time, a lot of many, you can review again. I think you can do it. You can speak English fluently. And in my class, I'm not only study English, speak English. But also I can study how to get a lot of energy when I feel tired, when I feel bored. My teacher says my teacher teach me set into mind in the to get a lot of energy. I do everything to by the 100%. Okay, do you want good do you want join in my English club? You can link you can click in the link below my video and now I hope you like my video. Thank you very much. Goodbye.